What's up, guys? I just want to record this quick video. I haven't uploaded for 2 days, so I feel like a Bitcoin update is must. I want to give update on the price action of Bitcoin, the current Bitcoin price scenario, and I want to explain some altcoins. I want to explain the market structure, what the market is doing, where I think the market will head up. So let's jump into the technicals and talk about the price action. So here the price of Bitcoin is 27,056. We had a short position on Bitcoin in our last video, but that hit our stop loss, unfortunately. We had a short position opened here. Let me confirm. It was here. This was our starting position, and our stop loss was here. Yeah, just here. And our take profits, wait, hold on. This was our position, stop loss. Hold on, let me draw it again. Short position. This was our position, somewhere around here, I think. Yeah. So this was the position, and stop loss was here, just above this, and take profits were around 5% to this area. So this was the trade that we took in our last video, but it hit our stop loss, as you can see. It was a risky trade, as I said, but I told you guys to manage your risk, and if the stop loss is hit, you'll just lose 1% of your overall capital. So there's nothing to worry, only 1% loss, it's fine. We had 5% profit before this. Now we'll try to reduce our risk, okay? So we won't be having issues with revenge trading. So let me remove this. Let's talk about what the price action is doing right now. Well, as we can see, the price is still neutral. There's no clear indication of what the price is going to do. I would actually avoid trading this area, okay, because once it hit our stop loss, it's not worth it to trade here. So we had to move back to this support region, and then pumped back up, flip this resistance, and after that it was just a fake out, and we fell back. And then we had a short position around here, stop loss here, but it hit our stop loss as well. So this wasn't actually a good trade. It failed, but this shows us that it's not a good trade here. So right now I'm just gonna wait for the price to make its move. There are two scenarios. One, we have resistance here. This is the high, okay. This high is actually Monday high, okay. It was achieved on Monday. So Monday's high are usually reclaimed back. So I would wait for the price to come back here and then drop, okay. Either this happens, or the price goes up, flips this, gets a small retest, and if I see buying power right on this resistance, we can go further, and it will be a time for 30k breakout. And this is one scenario that I'll be waiting for. I just need one winning trade to make all the money that I want, so there's no need to take risky trades. Another thing is, in my opinion, this can go down. As a result, I shorted it. In my opinion, this can go down, and if it goes down, it comes back to this region. I'm gonna wait for it. If it grabs liquidity here at 25,400, I'll buy here. If it doesn't grab any liquidity, if it stays here and I see buying power, lower time frames break of structure, I'll just long it here and just ride it to this resistance zone. So in my opinion, anything can happen right now. I'm not actually sure. Uncertainty. You can see the sideways movement is still taking place, up down, up down, up down. You you can't really tell. So for Bitcoin, I would say just avoid trading this zone. It's the choppy movement, so we gotta ignore this and wait for it. If it makes us move back up, that will tell us about either to short it or just long it on a retest. Or if it goes back down, it's 100% long position, but we're going to wait for the liquidity grab because we have equal lows here, so this might get taken out. So that's for Bitcoin. And for altcoins, the GRT that I've been talking about is still holding pretty strong. If you look at it on daily time frame, we had a huge wick, which I talked about in the last video. We had a huge wick here, some buying into selling, but overall I would say it's pretty neutral for the past 3 days. Nothing much. I'm still in a spot position. If it goes back up and gets a retest on the mid-range, I think this is going to be a good trade to take and get out at this resistance zone, because we haven't touched this resistance in a long time. In my opinion, it's going to go like this, so we can elongate there. And apart from that, Bitcoin's pretty neutral, a bit bleeding. Altcoins are having a bad time because of Bitcoin dominance increasing, and all coins are suffering. So for now, the market's not making such good moves. One of the reasons is it's weekend, so on Monday we'll get to know what the price does. So that's my analysis, and that's it. There's nothing complicated about it, just simple price action stuff. All we need is just one winning trade to make all the money that we want. So no need to hurry, no need to rush trades, no need to make terrible decisions, no need to be greedy. Just wait for the perfect opportunity. If it aligns with the analysis that you have, if it makes sense, just go for it. No second thoughts. Don't be too greedy and don't be too fearful. So just stay in the middle, follow your plan, follow discipline, don't overtrade it. You take your profit, just get out. If your trade goes in profit, just move the stop loss to break even level, so even if that hits, you won't lose money and you're just going to get out in profit. So book 50%, move stop loss to break even, and just ride the trade. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.